Okay, this is the speaking test of Ielts, the International English Language Testing System, taking place on Monday, the 7th of July. And let me tell you the center number. The center number is DD013 and the candidate is Abdullah. The candidate number is 0140345. The examiner is Abid Ali and the examiner number is 553502. Good morning, kid.
Good morning, sir.
I'm your examiner and my name is Abid Ali. Could you please tell me your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Abdullah.
Thank you, Muhammad Abdullah. And what can I call you?
I will be happy if you call me Muhammad Abdullah.
Okay, Muhammad Abdullah. May I see your identification?
Yeah, sure. Here is my passport.
Thank you, Muhammad Abdullah. Let me see. Yeah. Thanks again. Alright. So now, Muhammad Abdullah, are you ready for the test?
Yeah, I'm very excited about this test.
Okay, that's great. So in the first part, I'm going to ask you some personal questions. Muhammad Abdullah, could you please introduce yourself?
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My full name is Muhammad Abdullah. I'm originally from Kuwait. I go to school in Kuwait City. I study in 5th grade. I'm a student, but I have a job too. I work as an ESL trainer. Thank you.
Thank you too. Alright, so Muhammad Abdullah, tell me, how many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
And you said that you are from Kuwait. So where are you from in Kuwait?
I'm from Kuwait City. It is the capital of Kuwait.
Okay, that's great. Now let's talk about your hobbies and interests. Tell me, what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy watching English cartoons because I love listening to stories and it helps me to improve my English.
Do you have friends? If yes, then how many friends do you have?
Yes, I do have friends. I have almost 5 friends at school. But Kasley is my very best friend and he is very naughty.
So, Kasley is your best friend. Now let's talk about your daily routine.
Okay, let's go.
Muhammad Abdullah, could you please describe your typical day?
I always wake up early in the morning, around 5. First of all, I offer the prayer, then recite the Holy Quran. I go for a run, I work out and have my breakfast, and then I attend my classes, hang out with my friends, and that's all. Thank you.
Could you please tell me now, in which grade do you study?
I think I already mentioned that, but I'm in 5th grade.
Okay, thank you. Now let's talk about your future plans. That what plans do you have for future?
In my future, I really want to be a scientist and philanthropist.
Okay, that's great. So you want to be a philanthropist. Could you please tell me the meaning of the word philanthropist or philanthropist?
Yeah, sure. Philanthropist means someone love human beings.
Muhammad Abdullah, have you traveled abroad? Where did you go?
Yes, I have traveled several countries like Japan, Germany, UK, United States of America. I love traveling.
And what would you say about the smartphone?
I would say that a smartphone can be your best friend and enemy. So, be careful.
Thank you so much, Muhammad Abdullah. Here's the end of the speaking test of Ielts, the International English Language Testing System, and you did a great job. Thank you.